What's up, Algebra 2 students? Today we're going to do composition of functions where we have an f of x and a g of x, and we're going to do this thing that looks like this. F of g of x. This is pronounced f of g of x. We're going to do that, and then over here in a different color, which will be black, will be g of f of, do-over, g of f of x. This is how it's usually written. There are other ways to write this. This is usually how it is, and people say fog of x and goff of x. It's f of g of x. It's important to sound smart. Okay, what we do is we're going to plug in, we're going to start, since it starts off with the f first, we're going to say 2x plus 1. But the mistake that people that are brand new to this make is they will try to do this in one step instead of two. And I'm telling you, if you just do it in two, you're not going to have a problem. So you write, instead of 2x plus 1, you write 2, big old parenthesis, plus 1. And inside that parenthesis, and I'll even color code this, you put the blue x squared minus 5. X squared minus 5. This is the composition of functions part. So now, all we have to do is figure out what that simplifies to. So on this, and each one of those is different. Sometimes you have to FOIL, sometimes you don't. This one, we just distribute a 2 through there, and we get 2x squared minus 10, and then I bring this pink plus 1 down, and then combine everything on the next step. So it's 2x squared minus 9, and that's it. That is f of g of x. I'm going to pause this, and I want you to try the other one. We are back, and I hope you tried this problem. G of f. When you start off your g, which I have in blue already selected, that's cool. Instead of writing x squared minus 5, I'm going to write big parentheses squared minus 5. If you just do that, you're not going to have problems with this. If you ignore it, you will. I've seen this for 20 years. So you put the f inside, and it's going to look like that. And you can see the two and how they are different. And just for you visual learners out there, and the colors will help you so much. You can start with the blue on this one and put the pink in there. And this one you start with the pink color and you put the blue G inside of it. For this, though, you're going to have to come to the side of your paper. And whether you like it or not, you have to FOIL this problem. So it's 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. And it's the W distributive property that's 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 2. Plus 1. That's 1 right there. So that's going to be 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. That gets stuck here. X plus 1. And then we just bring this minus 5 down. People are asking me, what do I do with the 5? You just plug it in right there. Just put it right at the end, and we're going to just take it right off this 1. So it's 4x squared plus 4x minus 4. This is g of f. You totally hosed that. Let's try it again. G of f of x. That's it. Composition of functions. Have a good one.